I truly believe that the extent to which we don't have what we say we want tends to be the extent to which we're resisting it. So if we have a goal that we haven't reached yet, rather than beating ourselves up about that, like so many people do, because that's what we've been taught to do, it's better to get curious about that and look at why might I be resisting this? So let's take a weight goal, for instance. A lot of folks want to lose weight. And so we can say, all right, here's the weight that I'm currently at, but I want to be here. And now you could probably do this video with any goal, a financial goal, a career goal, but we're going to focus right now on weight. So thinking about what your goal weight is, and hopefully it's something healthy, not based on what society tells you it should be or whatever it might be, but allowing yourself to go, okay, this would be a healthy weight that I would feel good in my body. I'd feel fit and able to go about my day and do what I want to do in a healthy body. And uh, and so when I say in the video current weight and goal weight, you can use those words, or you can say whatever the weight might be. I'll leave that up to you. And of course, as I said, you might have another goal and you can state that. And we'll see. I'm not sure what I'm going to say yet because it comes through me, not from me. But it may apply to all kinds of different goals. So, taking full responsibility for your own well being. Even though I haven't reached my goal weight yet, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I'm at my current weight, I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though I'm at my current weight, and I'd rather be at my goal weight, but I haven't gotten there yet. And I have all kinds of feelings about that. And even though I'm still at my current weight, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself exactly as I am right now, as I set myself more and more free. All these feelings about being at my current weight, any upset about being at my current weight, any fears about reaching my goal weight. And part of me might say, I don't have any fears about that. I'm not resisting reaching my goal weight. I might not always do what it takes to get there, and I might sometimes do things that move me in the wrong direction, but it's not resistance. And I choose to love and appreciate those parts of me that have gotten me to my current weight, believing that that is what is safest. All these reasons I might not want to reach my goal weight. It may be fears about what will happen then. It may just be feelings about what it's going to take. I might have to exercise. I might not get to eat everything I want in as much amounts as I want. So parts of me might be saying, the idea of the goal weight is nice, but it's not actually worth it. And shaming myself for my current weight isn't really going to make it more worth it. Being upset at myself for where I'm at doesn't make me more excited about the goal, but it might be adding to all that stuff that keeps me from getting to my goal. I choose to be open to the possibility that it really would be okay to reach my goal weight. It might actually be safe. And I'm clearing any doubts or fears about that. Allowing myself to feel more comfortable with the idea of being at my goal weight. Because then it becomes easier to do what it takes. I also choose to clear any belief that I can't love myself until I reach my goal weight. I'm releasing the need to reach it. Because that attachment to the outcome, it limits my enjoyment of life and actually adds to the resistance. I'm releasing this resistance. I choose to love myself at my current weight. I choose to love myself so much that I feel more willing to do what it takes to take even better care of my body. And I'm doing it with love rather than shame, making it easier and easier to get healthier and healthier in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. And hopefully some ideas might be going on in there about things you can do to take better care of yourself because you're worth it. You're worthy and deserving of love and respect from yourself, even when you might sometimes do things that don't seem loving and respectful towards your body. Just allowing yourself to get curious about what's going on behind that, what you might be avoiding, what you might be afraid of. And when stuff comes up, I'm here for you. Thanks.